Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Here I bring you a video for entering distant phases as vector. The different phases can be as converted or seen as a vector. So we are going to see a Python program for the same. But before that, you will have to do some extra work. Now what is that extra work? You need to install NumPy and Pillow for it, as you are going to work with images and arrays. So that is the reason why we are making use of these packages and installing them. So for that, what you need to do is you search for the Python folder on your systems, go to the scripts folder and then change the directory to the scripts folder, and then you can write the command in your command prompt. So this all things are working in the command prompt, and then you can write the command as pip install numpy. So numpy would get installed. If it is already there, it is going to show you that requirement already satisfied, and then you install pillow, pip install pillow, so it will get installed if it is not installed. So these two extra works you need to do before you work with images and arrays. Now why this two numpy and pillow are there, right? So numpy is a library which is used with arrays and matrices, because whatever the functions the arrays and the matrices require, this library is a large collection of those. Okay, so we use numpy. And when it comes to pillow, it is regarding Python imaging library, where you can get the functions for opening the images, manipulating those images and all, opening different image formats. So that is the reason why we have installed pillow. So we need these two libraries to work with, and the aim here is we need to write a program for entering two distinct phases as vectors. We should be able to enter two phases and those should appear as a vector for us. Okay, so let's have a look to the code. This is the code for entering the two distinct phases. So here I have imported numpy as np. From PIL, that is Python imaging library, I am importing image because we need to work on the images. So these are the pre-requirements, you can say, and the first two important statements that you are going to write for this particular aim. Then I write a variable and b variable, where I initialize them for opening a image file. And one more thing is that you need to have two images in your folder. You can have two images in your Python folder. So I directly have it in my Python folder, so I am writing img1.jpg. If the image file is at some other location, you can just give the location in the open function. So I just taken two images of the face and I am opening the file. So I write image.open img1.jpg, and same I am writing for the other image as well. So I am going to open two images. So with the help of image.open, we open and identify an image. Then it is a.show, b.show, as a and b are my images. So the show function is going to display the images a.show and b.show. Then what I do, as a and b are my images, now I am going to convert it into an array. So I write as array of a and as array of b. So I write I1 initialized to np, as it is a function of numpy. I write np dot as array of a, that is regarding image 1, and then for I2 I write np dot as array of b, that is the image 2 will be converted to an array. And then I am just printing the coordinates of image 1 and image 2 with the help of print statements, and the values are stored in I1 and I2. So I will run it. I'm doing nothing. Automatically the images would be shown one by one. As you can see, the image 1 is shown here, and now image 2 will be shown. So this is the program where two distinct phases are now entered as the vectors. We will have a look at the shell. So you can see the coordinates are printed over here, coordinates of image 1 and coordinates of image 2. So with the help of a.show, image 1 was shown, b.show, the image second is shown, and then it was converted to an array with as array, and the print statement has printed the coordinates of image 1 and image 2. So I hope you would have understood it. If you have understood it, please like the video and share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe my channel. Thank you all.